Today, inshallah, we are going to talk about
future time.
One of the forms of the future, which is be going to, am, is, are going to. When I say I am going to go downtown tomorrow, or so is going to be here tomorrow, or we are going to come to class tomorrow morning. Notice that we use the form am, is, are, going to, and we use the infinitive of the verb. The first one, go, the second one, be, and the third sentence was come, infinitive. We use am, is, are, going to, I with am, is with he, she, it, are with we, use it. Okay. If we want to make it negative, how can we change it into negative? Just we put not. I am going to go downtown tomorrow. We may put not after verb to be. I am not going, is not going, are not going. So we say Anna isn't going to study. We put not after is. يبقى we put not after am, is, are, between verb to be and going to. And if we want to make a question for this form, we can use verb to be, am, is, are in question, like are you going to come to class tomorrow? And of course, the answer will be with yes or no. Are you going to come to class tomorrow? Yes. Yes, I am. No, I am not. I'm not. Or is Jim or is he or is she going to be at the meeting tomorrow? Yes, he is, or no, he isn't. Also, we can use with WH question, like what time are you going to eat dinner tonight? Okay. This is the first part, and of course, we use this tense with the words of the future, like tomorrow, tomorrow morning. Okay. If we comparing between words used for the past time and the future time, of course we know it. There is a big difference between it rained yesterday and it's going to rain tomorrow. Tomorrow is for the future and yesterday for the past. And also, I was in class yesterday morning. I am going to be in class tomorrow morning. So we have tomorrow morning, this is future, and yesterday morning, this is for the past. And also, last week for the past, and next week, next month, next year, next weekend for the future. If I say Mary went downtown last week, and Mary is going to go downtown next week. So this is the words for the future and the words for the past. Yesterday, last month, last year, last spring. This is past. Or ago, a minute ago, hours ago, days ago. But for the future, we use words like tomorrow, tomorrow morning, tomorrow night, or next week, next year, next spring, or in with time, in 5 minutes, in 5 hours, in 6 days, in 7 weeks. Okay, exercise. Let's try to complete sentence with yesterday or last or tomorrow or next. Number 1 is done for you. I went swimming. I went swimming yesterday morning because this is past. Number 2, Ken is going to go to the beach tomorrow morning. This is future. Number 3, I am going to take a trip.
Next week.
Next week. Alice went to Miami week for a short vacation
Last week.
last week. We had a test in class afternoon.
We tomorrow. No, last. Yesterday. Wait. Tomorrow.
Because this is past. Afternoon, we're going to go on a picnic.
Yesterday after.
Hmm.
No, wait. Tomorrow
Tomorrow
afternoon, we're going to go on a picnic.
on a picnic.
Picnic.
Go to the trip, have the
Nice.
drink and eating food in the open air. This is called picnic. My sister is going to arrive
Arrive Tuesday. Next Tuesday.
next because is going. This is future.
Yes, in future.
Sam bought a used car
Next Friday. No. Last
Boat
Friday.
is the past of buy. Boot.
Good.
So
Good is
past.
best.
So we use
So last.
My brother is going to enter the university fall. Fall means autumn.
Going to, so tomorrow? Wait, what
No,
meaning fall?
fall like autumn. It's one of the seasons of the year. You know that we have 4 seasons of the year. So this is one of them. Winter, summer, fall, spring. So this is one of the 4 seasons of the year.
Tomorrow?
Tomorrow fall or next fall?
Next fall.
Spring, I took a trip to San Francisco. Took is the past of take.
Yes, so wait, yesterday?
Yesterday spring? No, I think that last spring. Last spring, I took a trip to San Francisco. Next one, Anne is going to fly to London.
This what month? So next month.
Next, because is going, this is future. Rick lived in Tokyo.
Last year. Last year.
Last year. The last one, I'm going to study at the library night.
I'm going next night. Next, right?
Next
No.
night. Tomorrow night. Next night.
Tomorrow night. Okay.
You can say next night.
Okay.
Because this is the future. Okay. This is the same exercise. Can do it homework. Using a couple of or a few with ago and in. Also comparing between the future and the past. If we use the past simple, like Sam arrived here, we can say use words like ago. We bought the time or period of time before ago, 1 year ago, a year ago, 2 years ago. This is past. And with ago, we use the time before ago. Jack is going to be here in 2 minutes. With the future, we can use this form in 2 minutes, in 2 weeks, in 3 months, in 4 years, in and time, and this is referred to the future. So we are talking about two different forms. First form, ago, and this is with the past, like the first one, arrived here a year ago, 1 year ago. But the second one, we are talking about the future form with is going or are going, and we will use in with time. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Also, I saw Carlos a couple of months ago. A couple of months ago. We use a couple of months ago. So this is past, ago, this is past, and we don't use words like 2 days or 2 months, but we use a word like or a phrase like a couple.
Months. Couple is meaning 2 months, right?
Yeah, couple or a few are commonly used. A couple means 2. A couple of months ago means, if I say a couple of months ago, means 2 months ago. A couple of months ago. I got a letter from Gina a few weeks ago. I got a letter to see Gina in a few weeks. So we can use a couple of and in 3 weeks, in a few weeks. This is the difference between this form. Okay. Let's see the sentence. Complete the sentence using information from your own life. Use the words in italic, ago or in, with numbers as you like, 1, 2, 3, or expression like a couple. It's up to you. Like number 1, we studied chapter 5. He used days, so he bought it. We studied chapter 5 a couple of days ago or 3 days ago. Number 2, we are going to finish this chapter in a few days or a few more days, in 3, 4 days. Number 3, hours. I ate breakfast.
Wait, the few we can't use it in the past, right?
Yeah, I ate is the past of eat. I ate breakfast is the past of eat.
I eat breakfast. I eat breakfast. Hour. So. Wait. A couple of 2 hour? No.
A couple of weeks ago, a couple of hours ago, or 2 hours ago. The next one.
I want to eat lunch, dinner. I'm going to eat lunch, dinner in.
In that we can use in.
In 3 hours.
In 3 hours means that it will be happen in this time in the future. We finished exercise 9 minutes.
We finished exercise 9 in or in also.
We finished. This is past. So we will use ago.
We finished exercise 9 in.
ممكن we can say 5 minutes ago.
5 minutes. Yeah, sorry.
We can say 5 minutes ago or 10 minutes ago. Okay. Number 6, this class is going to end minutes.
This class is going to end 10 minutes ago.
No,
One.
not ago, because we use is going to. Is going to is talking about the future. So
It's
going to end
in
in 5 minutes, in 10 minutes, not ago.
1 hour.
But he gave you minutes to use it. I was born years.
What minute born?
I was born, and we will use years.
What minute born?
4 years, 3 years ago, 2 years ago. I was born. This is my birthday.
I was born
5 years ago, 10 years ago. My parents got married years.
20 years ago.
20 years ago. I am going to get married years.
5 years ago. In 5.
In 5, because if you said
It's
I'm
going.
going to get
Future.
married, means that it will happen in the future.
Yes.
So you will use it.
It's in 5 years ago. In 5 years.
5 years. We don't use ago, Isra, only with the past. If there is a past in a sentence, we use ago. Like this example, I arrived in this say, you can use it in this sentence. I arrived in this city 2 weeks ago, 2 months ago, 2 years ago, for example. 2 years
ago. Going to live the city for.
And the second one,
Going to live this city.
I'm going to leave this city in
for 5 years.
In 5 years, in 5 weeks.
Can say 4. But
This
at
is
end.
express the future. Okay.
All the end.
5 weeks. Next one, we will talk about comparison between using today, tonight, and phrases like this morning, this afternoon, this week, and so. We use it. How can we use it? In this lesson, we will learn that words like this morning or phrases like this morning, we can use it in the present or in the past or in the future, according to the meaning, what we mean. Right now, it's according to different situation. Right now, it's 10 a.m. We are in our English class. So if we use it like this, to talk about something which is happening now, we can say we are studying English this morning. Why we use we are studying with this morning? Now we are expressing something which is happening now. So we use are studying with this morning. Okay, next. Right now it's 10 a.m. Nancy left home at 9, an hour ago, to go downtown. She's not at home right now. She left an hour ago. So we say Nancy went downtown this morning. The second one, we use this morning to refer to the past action, because Nancy left the house at 9 and now it's 10. So we can say Nancy left the house at Nancy left the house this morning. So the second example, we refer to this morning with past simple. The third one, if we use this morning to express the future, like this situation. Right now it's 10. Class ends at 11. Now it's 10 and the class ends at 11. After class today, I'm going to go to the post office. So I'll say, I'm going to go to the post office this morning. I'm going to go to the post office this morning. To conclude all we said, we say that this morning we can use it in present, past, future, according to the situation. If we refer to something which is happening now, we can use it. If we refer to something in the past, we can use it. If we want to talk about something will happen in the future, we can use it. So it's according to the meaning, not we use it in one tense. So this morning we can use it present, past, or the future according to the meaning or the situation we refer to. Okay? The first one, we refer to something which is happening, so we said we are studying. The second one, we refer to something that happened an hour ago, so we use it with the past. Nancy went to downtown this morning. We refer to something which has happened an hour ago. The third one, we refer to something will happen after the school today, so we say I'm going to go to the post office this morning. To conclude what we said, we can say these words, these phrases this morning, we can use it in different situations, in different tenses. We can use it the present, the past, the future. Okay?
Okay.
We will stop